Hello dear ones, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa and today is another video of sewing and DIYs. I hope you watch till the end of this video and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn old men's pant into a new simple capri pant. This is the pant before and this is how it will be after. Let's start sewing. First that I will do is to unstitch the sides of the pant, and then next is the waistband. This is how it looks like after unstitching, and I just kept aside the waistband because later I'm gonna use it again. Now I will sew the side of the pants for about 2 inches each side because it's too loose for me. And for the butt part, I made an adjustment for about 1 inch and sew it as well. After sewing the back side of the pant, I will be doing top stitch as well because that is the style, and I will be connecting the top stitch from front. For the length, I'm using these old pants to trace and leaving half-inch seam allowance. Now I will attach the waistband to the pant, but before I do that, I need to do some adjustments to the waistband as well. So it will fit the pant according to its size after alterations. After adjusting, I started sewing the pant and the waistband together. Then after that, I top stitch and hide all the raw edges inside the waistband. After top stitch, I will also do tiny zigzag for the loops. For the legs, I folded it for about half inch and hem. So this is how it looks like after hemming, and the pant is still long just the way I wanted, so that I can style and fold it anyhow I want. We're finished and this is the final look.